Taking you through news on the Mumbai hit and run case, a lookout notice in the latest has been issued against the killer brat Mihir Shah. The hunt is on now for Mihir Shah, Mumbai brat, who got onto his wheels, likely drunk, and crashed into a couple on the road, killing the lady on the bike. Further, we are looking at the people who were in the car during the time of the accident who have been arrested. The father of Mihir Shah, Rajesh Shah, has been arrested, but the brat's son still on the run. In fact, Shinde Sena Neta Rajesh Shah, his son, has rammed into a couple, killing the lady on the bike. Cops are now probing if the killer brat Mihir was drunk. It's a likelihood. They have CCTV footage of Mihir Shah exiting a pub at 1:30 a.m. We're looking at this vehicle here, the BMW car that's crashed into a bike in Mumbai in the wee hours of the morning, killing a lady on the bike. Her husband has been grievously injured. Deepesh joining us more on that. Deepesh, please give us more the clout that Rajesh Shah holds. The Eknath Shinde Sena Neta, he's been arrested. What's the kind of clout he holds? Where does he come from? What is his designation within the party? Has the Shinde government responded to this case? Because his son is still absconding.
Nabila, definitely Rajesh Shah is a businessman mainly, and he holds he has a transport business in Palghar. Also, he is the main leader of the Shinde faction in the Palghar area. He holds important programs or important happenings and events for Shinde government and for Shiv Sena party in the Palghar and in joining areas. So he is one of the one of the important leaders of the Palghar for Shinde Sena. Also, yesterday while speaking on this accident, Eknath Shinde said that whoever will not be spared, and the law is same for all of them. Nobody will be spared from the law, and nobody is above the law. And also, on the other side, the police is investigating this case, and right now the police has issued a lookout notice for Mihir Shah, because Mihir Shah was absconding, and it's been more than 24 hours now. And the Rajesh Shah was the last person to whom Mihir Shah spoke right after the accident. Nabila.
Yeah, thanks. All right. Deepesh, thanks very much for joining us on that. Well, what we know here is this hit and run on the streets of Mumbai has killed a 45-year-old lady, Kaveri Nakwa. Lost her life while on the bike. The car crashed into the vehicle. Her husband, Pradeep, has been left seriously injured. We believe that BMW was speeding. It hit the two-wheeler in Mumbai's Worli on Sunday morning. The car was being driven allegedly by Mihir Shah, a son of Rajesh Shah, who's a leader of the Shinde Sena. Mihir Shah, 24 years old, he's currently absconding. A lookout notice has also been issued against Mihir's father and the BMW owner, meanwhile, Rajesh Shah, who's a politician here, and the driver, Raj Rishi, who was in the car during the time of the crash, have both been arrested by the Mumbai police. India Today has also accessed CCTV images outside the Juhu bar where Mihir and his friends were seen leaving in a Mercedes at around 1:40 a.m., hours before the deadly crash. Now, Mihir has been allegedly accused of culpable homicide, not amounting to murder, as well as rash and negligent driving, endangering human life. Remember, 6 police teams have been formed to track Mihir, who's currently on the run.
पुणे में शहरों में ये हिट एंड रन बहुत बढ़ रहा है, बहुत घटना हुई है। आज भी सुबह जो घटना हुई वो बहुत गंभीर है, और इसमें शिंदे गुट के एक नेता के घर की गाड़ी है, और जिस तरह से इन्होंने हिट एंड रन किया है, मुझे लगता है कि हिट एंड रन के अगेंस्ट महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कुछ पॉलिसी लाने की आवश्यकता है, जो सरकार ला नहीं रही। पुणे में जो घटना हुई वो भी ऐसे ही था। सरकार, पुलिस और जो व्यवस्था यहाँ की है वो कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती।
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में, और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत। शाह, ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।
11:08 को ये 4 लोगों का ग्रुप आया था। वो लोग बैठे थे, वो लोग ने खाना खाया, ड्रिंक किया एंड 11:14 को बिल पेमेंट खत्म कर दिया था। 11:26 को देवर आउट ऑफ द प्रीमाइसेस। ठीक है, जो लड़का मिहिर बोला जा रहा है उसने ड्रिंक भी नहीं किया है। ठीक है, वो डिटेल्स सीसीटीवी में पुलिस भी चेक कर रही है, उनके पास सारी डिटेल्स है और हमारे यहाँ से कोई उसका लेना देना नहीं।
Let me take you through the kind of allegations that have been leveled against Mihir Shah, the man who's currently absconding, 24 years old. He's in fact the son of Shinde Sena Neta Rajesh Shah. While Rajesh Shah, whose car this is, has been arrested, his son is still on the run. I'm going to take you through what the FIR charges here really say. Here's a quick look at what's mentioned in the FIR. He's been accused of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Well, we also know that the car was driving at top speed, the BMW that crashed into that bike. Now, he's also been accused of rash and negligent driving, endangering human life. Also, what's more mentioned in the FIR is that he's endangered life and personal safety. Also, committing mischief amounting to cause loss and damage. These are the sections that he's been accused on, the FIR copy that India Today has accessed. We're looking at these details in the FIR that's clearly mentioned, accusing Mihir Shah in this case. But the question here is, was Mihir Shah really drunk at that point? He's currently absconding. We're yet to ascertain his blood samples, whether he was drunk or not, who was exactly behind the wheels, what time did the accident happen. Those kind of details are yet to come out. But Rajesh Shah, the politician himself, whose car this is, the car is registered on his name, is now arrested.